at a time, my friends.
We're on the
This max bet right here. Get 2 spins. So whatever you win, you cash out. Hit it again. Yeah, and we're gonna cash it out.
oh, there you go, Barb. Made $1.50.
Cash out, yeah.
Yeah, this was a $5 bet.
That way you can
Oh, you
grab
did?
one free item, okay? Oh, you get a free item too, boss.
I'm next.
I'll take yours.
All right.
Yeah, a little spot for him over there. I'll take that. So we all have this. We should be good. And then it's all on one sit. You're gonna hit this button.
Oh.
You hit one more spin.
Okay. That's just my luck today.
Sorry, boss.
That's all right. Do I get any booby prize or anything?
Around the corner of the table, one item, please.
One item?
Another one.
I got a cooze.
Me too.
You can go ahead and take a honey lemon pop.
Well, that was pretty lame.
Yeah, I got $1.50.
Oh, you got more than I did. I got the stupid koozie. Where do you want to go?
I'm gonna play this real quick.
Okay.
Then I want to go have a cigarette.
Sounds good to me. Yeah, well, we had to get 2 points, and we've been down all day playing. Went up, got something to eat. Came down and did that. I thought it said max bet, but not on penny. I wouldn't even bet pennies, but I could use the koozie. Summer's coming someday, right?
Yeah.
Seneca Allegheny Casino. And I watched Hazel win some money. You had your lucky shirt. Well, you got a lot of lucky shirts.
Alright. 375 or 3?
Oh, I always go max bet because it's only $3.75.
Yeah, but I'm figuring out the 10 spins.
Yeah, it's only $7 more, $7.50 more. That's all. And yeah, there you go. So you get 10 spins, and each
gotta
one of
get
those
lamps.
gives you, yeah, it'll be a wild on the 10th spin. You get 3 free games, or 3 bonuses, right? You get the free games. There's the prizes. Oh, that's a good one. Come on, baby. Come on.
Oh, I saw it.
It was right there. Oh, it's going to do it again. Abracadabra. Shazam.
Oh,
That's a teaser.
oh God, it's the sickest bonus I ever got.
Wow.
Oh my.
You lost 30,
Yeah, I'm getting
36.50.
Should I do it once more?
No. Let's go somewhere else.
Let's go have a cigarette.
All right, let's go to the smoking room where you can smoke them.